Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to make a traffic light game, okay? So the game is simple. Press space key to start the game. Release the space key when the lights go off. The one with the least amount of time wins the game, okay? Let's get started. Okay, so first let me introduce you to the sprites, okay? This is the player, so we're going to be the red one, and green, yellow, and blue is the bot, so we're going to play against a bot, okay? This is the traffic light, and this is the text that's going to show the winner at the end of the game, okay? First, let's code the player. Okay, so the code for the player is when green flag is clicked, go to the position. So it has two costumes. Every player has a costume which is off and on. Off is when the space key is not pressed, and on is when the space key is pressed. So first, at the start of the game, switch costume to off. Okay. Doing this, we're going to do the same thing for the bot, the other bots. When green flag is clicked, go to the position and switch costume to off. Okay, and then we're going to go back to the player, and so we're going to code the start of the game. Okay, so broadcast, so wait until space key is pressed, and then it will broadcast countdown. Okay, so when I receive countdown, switch costume to on, repeat until space key is not pressed. Switch costume to on, so inside this we're going to put a switch costume block. So when the space key is not pressed anymore, it will switch costume to off. Okay, it's that simple. For the other bots, switch costume to on. Okay, when it receives countdown, it will switch costume to on. Oh yeah, for the traffic light, when green flag is clicked, switch costume to 0. It has 5 costumes. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the position is x0 and y0. So when the sprite receives countdown, it will wait 1 second, and then repeat 4 times. Next costume, start sound beep, beep 1, and then wait. Okay, I think it's going to wait. Let me see the time. Okay, 0.3 seconds. And then duplicate this code, put it under here. After that, when it finish the code, it will broadcast turn off traffic light. Okay, let's test it first. Okay, that's too fast. I'm going to change the time. How about 1 second? Yeah, that's perfect. Yep, that's perfect. Alright. Okay, go back to the player. Back to the traffic light. Okay, so when I receive turn off traffic light, it will wait. Oops. It will wait random from 0.25 to 2.5. Okay, so the traffic light is going to turn off randomly. The time is random from 0.25 to 2.5, and then it will broadcast wait. It will also wait for 2 seconds, and then go back to the player. We are going to make a new variable. It's called player time. Okay, when green flag is clicked, set player time to 0, and then hide variable player time. Okay, and then when I receive wait, repeat until key space is not pressed. Okay, so I will wait 0.001 second, and every 0.001 second it will change player time by 0.001 seconds. Okay, like that. Then going to the bot, we're going to duplicate this code, put it here. Where's the code? Oh, I forgot. So go back to bot 1. We're going to make a new variable. It's called bot 1 time. Okay, so hide variable bot 1 time, and then also set bot 1 time to 0. We're going to do the same thing to the other bots. Okay, bot 2, set bot 2 time to 0, hide variable bot 2. Okay, bot 3 time, set bot 3 time to 0, also hide the variable bot 3 time. I'm going to place the variables player time over here, and then bot 2 time over here, bot 1 time over here. Yep, the last one over here. Okay, go back to the traffic light. Oh wait, we forgot to add a switch costume block. So at the end of the code, on the turn off traffic light, after it wait, it will switch costume to 0. Okay, and then after that, after it waits 2 seconds, it will broadcast check. Okay, broadcast new message check. Okay, clear, and when I receive check, it will stop other scripts in this script. Okay, stop other scripts in this sprite, and then it will also show variable player time. Okay, copy the code into other sprites. Bot 2, bot 3. Okay, and then we're going to go to the winner sprite. Okay, so first, when green flag is clicked, it will make a new variable. It's called winner. We'll set winner 0, and then when I receive check, It will wait 1 second, add an if block, and then add an end block, add another end block, and then add another end block. Okay, so if the player time is not equal to 0 and that player time is less than bot 1 time, also that duplicate this code, put it here, bot 2 time is larger than player time, and bot 3 time is larger than player time. Okay, so this means that all the time of the other players is larger than the player time, which means the player time has the least amount of time, which means the player is the winner. So set winner, if the conditions are correct, set winner to player, okay, like that. And then for the bots, duplicate this code. When I receive check, it's going to be a little different, so I'm going to use if then else block. Okay, so add a if, so if player time is not equal to 0, that means put back the code, and then add an if then block inside this if then block. So and then if the conditions is correct, if the conditions are correct, it will set wait, this is set the winner. Okay, I'm sorry. So the winner is player time, the winner is player. Okay, so this will set the winner to bot 1. Okay, first I'm gonna replace this. Okay, change all the variables. Bot 3, this is bot 1, this is bot 2, and this is bot 1. Okay, and then if the player time variable is equals to 0, then we'll just remove the player. Okay, like that. See, it's like it's that simple. Okay, so we're going to do the same with the other, okay, the other bots. Okay, we already coded this, and now when I receive check, after it all completes the check, it will wait 1.2 seconds, and then it will broadcast new message, announce winner. Okay, so we're going to move to this side. When I receive announce winner, add an if then block. So if the winner equals to player, winner equals to player, it will switch costume to player. It's going to duplicate all of these. If winner equals to bot 1, it will switch costume to bot 1. If the winner equals to bot 2, it will switch costume to bot 2. If the winner is bot 3, it will switch costume to bot 3. Okay, and then after all of that, it will start sound tada. Play sound tada until done. And then add a show block. Add a show block over here, okay? So now we're going to test it, okay? Click the green flag, press space to start. Oops, we forgot to add a hide block, okay? It's okay, it's okay. So it's not done yet, the code's not done yet. So for the traffic light, when it receives when it receives announce winner, it will hide, okay? It will hide. And then for the bot, when I receive wait, it will pick random from repeat. It will repeat pick random from 1 to 40, and then duplicate this code, copy, put it to bot 2 and also put it in bot 3. So delete this one. This one is bot 2 time. This one is bot 3 time. Okay, let's give it another test. Oh yeah, forgot to add a hide block. When the green flag is pressed, don't forget to add a hide block in the winner sprite, okay? Okay, let's test it again. Okay, as you can see, bot 2 is the winner. Let's test it again. Okay, so the traffic light is not showing because when green flag is clicked, it's supposed to show, okay? Forgot to add a show block. Okay, so after it finished this code, after the bot finished this code, it will switch costume to off, okay? Don't forget to add a off block. Switch costume to off. Let's give it another test. And it looks like we won. Let's give it another test. One more test, okay? And we won again. So guys, that is all for this video. That is how you make the traffic light game, okay, on Scratch. So that's all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new. Sorry if there's so many bugs, so many problems in this video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video, okay? See you next time. Bye.